Welcome everyone to the first ever in-person Builder Blind Dates. Builder Blind Dates is a show where we spin a wheel. We put random protocols that we've never built with in Web3. We put it on a wheel, and then we spin it, and then we normally give ourselves like a week to build something. And we built something today, hopefully at least, in 4 hours on the protocol.
Hi, Dapper Dan, content creator, developer, game show host, man of many titles. Feeling pretty confident on winning today. Obviously, Pranav is here, so I need to get my revenge on him. But truth be told, 4 hours, most of the time on this show, I only build in 4 hours. So this, I think, will be perfect for me. Competition is tough, but I like my chances.
Hi, I'm Lena. My chances of winning are the best. I'm not intimidated at all by all the competition. I won so many hackathons at the same time that I'm very confident. Also, I got a lot of it. Don't tell anyone.
And what protocol are you choosing today?
Oh, I'm choosing push protocol today.
Sure.
Hi, I'm Steph. I lead developer relations at Million. What else?
Your chances of winning today?
1 in 5, 25%.
Oh wow, quick math. And what protocol are you choosing today?
I picked Sign. I've never used it. I hope their docs are good. We will see.
Hi, I'm Ellie Parisi. I'm a Web3 engineer. Been in the space for many, many years, doing tons of hackathons. Actually started my company from an ETH Global Hackathon called Bello. Bello's been around for about 2.5 years. Today, I'm honestly so excited. I haven't done a hackathon in like a few months, so I'm ready to win, to crush the competition.
Wow. And what protocol are you choosing today?
Not a protocol, but I decided to do thread-based AI agents. I saw a demo of it a few weeks ago, and it seemed pretty fun.
Hi, my name is Pranav. I run a dev studio called Console Labs, and what else?
Your chances of losing today?
Oh, 0%. I mean, I'm the only one who has proof of winning, aside from some guy called Dan.
And did you plan on cheating against it like you did the last time? Where you
did
told
not
yourself
cheat.
that,
Okay.
where you said that you were going to build a front end and then you built the front end.
I need to clear the air about that. Until like the night before the recording, I thought I'm not gonna build a UI. But then I found this super secret repo that Nillian had posted, which had a UI, and I decided to use that. So I
Okay.
did not cheat. I want
Okay.
to get that on record.
No, okay, trick. You did tricks. There was competitive tricks.
Yeah.
And what's the protocol you're choosing today?
Lit protocol.
Nice. And I'm choosing Tableland today. It's SQLite on-chain. At least that's what they're advertising, so I hope that's exactly what it is. Should be fun. We can build many different apps on it.
Okay, let's go! Okay.
Tableland.
Oh, hell yeah.
Congratulations,
Let's
Tableland.
go.
All right, we have 4 hours to build, starting now. I must have given you guys an advantage. I'm like recording as in. You guys are in the doc site.
We're in the docs.
How does one cheat on the? What's your cheat key here? On the keyboard.
Do you need an API key or how do you, or like?
I don't know. You have to find out. That's up to you. I'm not gonna help you. Okay, Steph. What are you doing now?
I'm getting up my credit card to pay for this API.
Wow. Is anyone else doing that?
I haven't gotten there yet. I don't know what it is.
yeah.
She's just saying random stuff.
Yeah, she's like, yeah. You know, you gotta get your credit card. You have to. Pranav's laptop is here. Pranav is not here.
Off to a great start.
Off to a great start. The stress emotion. We've lost another one.
She just left.
My chances.
Yeah, we just got a new laptop. Yeah, the chances are better.
I went from 25% chance of winning to 33.
This is good. Maybe that's his. This is yeah. So, Steph, you're leaving.
I failed first grade math. 1 in 5, so now it's a 50% chance.
50% chance.
Say like 70 to 30.
Okay.
It's like because then it's just busy filming.
Yeah, that's true. I haven't even started. Look, I'm still in the docs, y'all. First up, competitor is Ellie.
Yes.
Are you sharing your screen?
No, yeah, I'm just showing table.
Oh, wow, yeah, get that. Everybody, tableland.xyz.
Basically like a database, but you can.
It's a
you can do-
database.
Yeah, but it's like a works with on-chain stuff, so you can. Oh no, communicate with smart contracts and do all that. I did not do that. I basically just use this as a regular database, but the cool part about it is that you can connect your wallet and have your wallet do special signatures and stuff like that. So what I did, and I'll probably show you just already from me logged in, I think that's where I have it, but I built this little app called Future Self. So essentially what it does is you can write a note to your future self. So if you've ever thought about or if you've ever journaled, I do this a lot where I'm like, when something's going really good or something's going really poorly, I try to be reflective and say remember this when things are hard, or remember feeling this gratitude. And so what you can do here, I don't think I can hold this in tight, but reminder, if you want to give yourself a little reminder to be kind to yourself, something like that. So you can pick the date that you want this to be sent to yourself. So say it's somewhere that next month you're going to have a really hard day because your mother-in-law is coming to town. I don't know, whatever it is. Or Christmas. Christmas is going to be really rough with your family. So you can go here and click Save Note. But for the sake of the demo, I'll actually just show you doing it on today's date. So you just come here. And then when you save note, this will actually communicates directly with the chain, so that you actually have to sign a message here to essentially you're putting this data on chain. Now, it's not like someone can see all of my notes. This is only accessible from my wallet. Oh no. Let's see. Okay, that should work. And then over here on the left side, you'll see all of your notes for today. So this one I wrote as if this was from 2023. So it's something where you can set yourself a little reminder down the line. And I actually think this would be very cute if you had a notification on your phone to be able to send yourself future little notes and things like that. Add videos or something like that too. But this is Future Self.
The original task was obviously to create an app that also tackles regional problems, and obviously I wanted to get the extra points. So my app actually tackles some problems, and I did some research, and Thailand actually has been voted got the title of the country to travel to in 2025. So I think all of us noticed that the tourism is really crazy, and for Thailand to handle that, you feel a lot of things are there's not so much balance into how it's regulated for people that are living here, and I think that can be a huge issue. And so I wanted to create an app that incentivizes people to do more ethical or sustainable and respectful traveling. So what I built is inspired. I don't know if you know this app. Let me put this here. So my app is called Puenan.
One more time.
Puyan. It is Thai for friend. I somehow Mudeng was supposed to be there and look cute and make you vote for me. But you all know how Mudeng looks like, so I hope that's fine like that. And yeah, it just incentivizes you to treat your environment nice, travel responsibly, and so what is actually happening? So the app is built on top of Get Your Guide, because why should I build my own infrastructure when it already exists and they have an API that you can just query? But then all that data will be loaded into Tableland with 2 extra points, and that would be, let me just show that to you quickly. Right. I don't know where this is. Okay, yeah, so as you can see here, later we have here a reference to the original project, like guide tour, and then it's like we will use AI. We will use AI to measure kind of an impact score for visiting these sites. So like more local experiences that are less touristy or popular have a higher score, and then there will also be a prompt for you to like learn about before you travel somewhere, kind of like what to say, how to dress, and just like how to treat people with respect. And then like you get extra points for like completing these prompts and challenges. And so this is the first table that I created, and that will be created when we create the app, and it will be all imported. And then so that would be just be one script. And then we have here our user base, and there we just store your wallet address, your username, and your completed experiences and so on. And now we obviously want to see that it's working. And now you can just like, obviously I had 4 hours time, so like you just book the event. And then okay, well, several times. And then it should be updated here in our database. There's also, of course, I already wrote a mutation function if the user already exists, or if it's newly created. And there you go. There we have like created a new position, so the connection works, and that is Puyan.
So I didn't create a front end, but my thought was, what if we could use AI agents to scrape the internet and then intelligently create tableland tables so that humans could query with SQL? I realized that humans can query the internet with Google, but maybe some people who are nerds would rather use SQL. So what I did was I created a smart contract, and it's a factory that, in theory, a base AI agent could deploy as I chatted with it, and then I could ask the agent to store some data inside of the table. I don't know if this is working right now, we'll see, but the way it works is you choose a mode to talk to the AI agent. I'm just gonna choose chat, and then I'm gonna ask it to create a table. So I'm gonna say create a tableland table with data, put in hello world. And hopefully this creates a smart contract. Oh, there's a server error. But I'm gonna try it one more time just in case. It's supposed to run the factory to create the smart contract to put the data inside of the database based on what I put in, but it fails sometimes. Let's see. Oh.
Did you make an alien thing?
So what I wanted it to do was also vote on Nillion. I'll be happy if it created a table. But the end state was going to be use internet data to decide how to vote privately on Nillion. I didn't get that far, but it looks like maybe there's a table. Oh, wow. And there's data. But it cannot vote. So, yeah.
When I started, I thought setting up Tableland will be really hard. So I began with like a very basic voting app, but then I realized that, Dan's gonna share a link and I don't trust Dan with his voting. So yeah, I created my own. And what I'm going to do is just walk through creating tables and then like the whole voting process, and then, just go over the leaderboard. So what I'll do right now is just clear out the tables and start from scratch. Okay, so the first thing is I run a transaction that creates these two tables. So one's for the projects and one's for the votes. And right now, both of them are empty. The next thing that I need to do is basically give other wallets or other humans permission to vote on projects and create projects. So I'm going to put this. Okay, let's try. I'm going to get some addresses from Hard Hat. Okay, so copy this address. Cool. So yeah. So TableLand is this weird thing that I can't grant permissions to everybody to write to their tables. So yeah, I'm just gonna give like one more user the permission. And now I'll create my project. Let's keep this here. I'll call this project the blind dates winner. Build a blind.
Good luck.
It's a live edition. Cool. So I should see this project here, and I can't vote on it because it's my own. And in both the tables, you can see that, so there's a row for the projects, but there's no row for votes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to a different address. So let's disconnect from this one and go to, okay, let's use this one. Cool. So I'm going to create another project. I'm going to call it tax project. And this project lost.
There's many dads in the world, so yeah.
Cool. So now, now that we have two projects, we can do some voting. So because Dan can vote for my project, he's gonna vote me. And so we have one vote. And I'm gonna switch back to my old project, old address. Okay. Yeah, I think it's this one. We'll find out. Yeah. Okay. So now I should be able to download Dan's project. Cool. So let's confirm if we have all the votes up. And oh, sorry. And on the leaderboard, yep, we have project rankings. And yeah, that's it. So it's all on chain through a SQL table.
To vote, no. What are we all doing here? What are we making here? Anyone? Memories. Thank you. And Ethereum. So, but we're always going to forget this. We put this stuff on Twitter, and then the algorithm is never going to serve us those videos and photos again. So I wanted to use TableLand to do that. So this is Conferences Go, Friends Forever. This UI is ugly, I know, but I tried to use this new UI component and it's destroyed everything. So there we go. Sometimes it makes it worse. So first thing I'm going to do is like, it's a hidden button, okay? Okay, I'm going to remember that. Like, oh, I'm here at DEF CON. It says DEF CON. Okay, now I'm gonna open up MetaMask. I'm gonna make this new table. And then I'm gonna put in the photo URL. You can read that, see? You can see this. And then I'm gonna have some photos. So like, okay, let's say this is me logged in from Twitter. I can go ahead and pull that in. And I can add a description. Yeah, it was, yeah. Logged in, you can see the text, as you know. Then I'm gonna add this memory to my table as it does. We can get some other photos as we wait. Here's me with Sky Ansem in the tuk-tuk. So I can put that there. Cool. All right, chilling in tuk-tuk. And tuk-tuk. You can see that. Then again, I have to, pay the man to store all this money, its memories. And then here's me looking cute yesterday, or the first day I was here. So I'm gonna put that in to my memory bank. All right, looking cute. Okay. All right. And then, after the event is over, and I'm, sitting at home, like, what did I do? How was it? Or, years from now, 5 years from now, I'm gonna just look at it. Then I can go and show my memories. And this should, here's me locked in, chilling in the tuk-tuk. Look at that, looking cute. And that was Conferences Forever, or Friends Forever, Conferences Go.
I feel like there was less applause for that one.
Feel free to vote. And Angus, since you only came for this one, my only demo, I'm guaranteed at least one vote, I hope. Yes. Yes. Stop the count. Stop the count. Can you pick multiple people? How many people are in this room? There's 10? Incognito mode. Oh my God. Oh, this is crazy. Okay, congratulations. For the first time in history, people are cheating. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say that the only true votes here were my. Okay, I don't know who to say congratulations to. Okay, Pranav and Lena, this is a two-way tie. Congratulations. Yeah, it keeps growing. People are somehow hacking this in other rooms. Yeah.
That's why I built my app.
Yeah, you don't trust me at all. I'm happy with my performance.
This was fun.